Hi, my name is Jayshawn Pearson, and today I'm going to teach you how to backside heel flip. The first step and the first trick you need to learn how to do, you need to learn how to ollie first. So this is what that look like. So now that you got the ollie down, the next step and the next trick you need to learn how to do to performing a backside heel flip, you need to learn how to backside half cab. And this is what that look like. So now that you got the backside half cab in there, the next step and the next trick you need to learn how to do to actually performing the backside heel flip on flat ground, you need to learn how to heel flip. So this is what that look like. So now that you got the heel flip in there, the next step to performing this trick, all you got to do is add all those tricks together and you got a backside heel flip. So this is what they look like. So now that I showed you the backside heel flip, foot positions for this trick is really simple. All you got to do is set up like a heel flip to perform this trick. Foot positions for this trick is really just like a heel flip. So if you put your foot right here on the board to setting up like a backside heel flip, and if you set up your popping foot like this on the board, you will perform a backside heel flip. And the secret of this trick is really a backside half cab and a heel flip combined. So if you add those two tricks together, you will perform a backside heel flip. And also, if you throw your shoulders like this when performing a backside heel flip, you will do a rotation like this. So if you do that rotation, you will do the full rotation like a backside heel flip. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you won't miss out on videos like this every week. So if you like this video and you find it helpful to you, don't forget to share it with a friend or a homie that might need this tip that I'm showing you. Catch you in the next one.